Welcome to A Backpacker's Notes. Today we talk about Herculaneum. You might have thought about visiting Pompeii. But there are also a few reasons why you might prefer visiting Herculaneum. One reason is that there's a lot of more shade in Herculaneum, which might be one thing to consider in summer months. Pompeii is far more famous. Herculaneum is often better preserved, especially its wooden furniture, doors and even food remains, thanks to a different kind of volcanic material, a pyroclastic surge that carbonized organic matter. Herculaneum was wealthier than Pompeii. It was more of a seaside resort town for the Roman elite, with larger, more luxurious villas, intricate mosaics and stunning frescoes. You could say it was Beverly Hills of ancient Rome. Herculaneum was discovered in 1709, when a well digger hit the theater while working. It was the first of the two towns to be discovered, long before systematic archaeology existed. In the Villa of the Papyri, archaeologists found over 1,800 carbonized scrolls, which is the only surviving library from the classical world. Scholars are still trying to read them using modern technology like X-rays and AI. Herculaneum was not buried by lava, but a superheated flow of volcanic mud and ash. This unique burial method helped preserve organic material that was lost in Pompeii. And unlike in Pompeii, two-story buildings are still standing in Herculaneum. You can walk through ancient Roman homes with intact staircases and balconies. No bodies were initially found, so early archaeologists thought everyone escaped. But then in the 1980s, over 300 skeletons were discovered, huddled in boathouses near the shore. Some houses in Herculaneum still have working toilets and complex drainage systems, showing just how advanced Roman plumbing was. The colors of the wall paintings and floor mosaics are incredibly vibrant, thanks to the airtight seal of the volcanic material. Of course, Herculaneum, along with Pompeii, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its cultural significance and extraordinary preservation of Roman life.